Um, one thing to do before winter, which we're coming into, is you want to check your antifreeze and what it will cover for a cold weather. What does it protect me against? So basically what you want to do is take the radiator cap off, like that. Then take your hydrometer, let me get mine. So basically this is your hydrometer for testing the strength of your antifreeze. So you squeeze the top, put it in and draw up the water for the radiator. Then you want to read off from the scale. I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, but this is reading minus 23 centigrade. So minus 23 centigrade is like minus 9 Fahrenheit. So, you know, here in Czech, only once in the last 25 years, I've seen it getting to minus 20. So, minus 23 is good. It won't freeze. It won't pop core plugs or anything like that, or crack the block. So that was a 50-50 mixture. So 50% is water, 50% is antifreeze. Now on these old engines, you want to use the right antifreeze. And the one I use is this one. It's Alpine Blue, and this is for these older engines. It's made by Miller Oils, and this is very good stuff. I've got this in all my tractors. And if you want to increase the protection, if you want to make it, if you test it and you're like say at minus 4, minus 5, and you want to make it more, what you need to do, if you go up on this side, is you need to drain off some of the water. So at the bottom of the radiator in here, could you see that? There's a drain plug on the radiator. So you crack that open, you drain out, I don't know, like 1 litre, 2 litres of water for what's in the radiator, tighten that back up, then you add in here the antifreeze, the 1 or 2 litres that you've taken out. Then what you need to do is you need to run the engine for like 5 minutes to let it mix in, then re-measure it. But if you take 1 litre out, 2 litres out, and you put that back in there, you'll probably double what was already at. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed that.